How do you turn this thing on? Hello, I know I've said it before, but I am back and welcome to the all new FAQ Tube. I know I've said it before, but yes, I am back, and this time I really mean it, because, drum roll please, I am now working on YouTube full time. Can you believe it? The dream come true. And it's a long story. It's a whole nother video that I'll bring you the full lowdown for that. But for now, I just want to tell you about what I've been doing and what you can expect going forward. So for the last year, I've hardly uploaded any videos, as you'll know if you've subscribed before. Loads of excuses I could make, but really, I've got no one to blame for myself. So for those of you who've been following along, I did a 1K subscriber challenge and I have crawled over the line at last for 1,000 subscribers. Woohoo! So yeah, I finally crawled over the line for 1,000 subscribers, so something to celebrate about. But also I did it in a pitifully slow time and really was no inspiration or lesson to learn for anyone, so let's commiserate that too. So my 1K challenge that I was running, I'm going to do away with that because, as I say, it really didn't teach anyone anything. I only uploaded a handful of videos in the last 12 months, and that is not going to be any use to anyone. But I did put in some really good work in that time, and I did make some really valuable lessons. So I'm going to pull all of the good stuff out and put it in an article and a video for how to get your first 1,000 subscribers. But really now, for me, at recording this, we are halfway through July, and I'm going to try and go from 10... Fine. So that's the past covered, but what I'm really excited about is to talk to you about the future. So I'll be bringing you new videos, at least one every single week, starting this week on this YouTube channel. So make sure you're subscribed so that you never miss any of those. I'll be bringing you in-depth strategies, quick tips so you can achieve some quick wins on your YouTube channel very fast, as well as some mindset stuff, some productivity stuff, and some software and tech stuff too. If you are already subscribed, then please remember to hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of this juicy goodness. So what else is coming? A totally refreshed website full of juicy articles, free guides, and bonus giveaways that you can find by clicking on this card. That's getting a beautiful makeover soon, as well as making it easier for you to find the stuff that you need to grow your YouTube channel. Something that I'm really excited to tell you about, which is coming to this YouTube channel, but also a podcast player near you. Of course, it's a podcast. So excited. It's going to be jam-packed full of all of your tips that you need to know, but in such great detail. And also I'm going to be getting input from some of the greatest minds in YouTube, other YouTube experts, but other big YouTubers, names that you know, that you love, that you respect, and they're going to be sharing their favorite tips with you here on this channel and on the podcast. So again, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out when that drops. And that's actually going to be part of something even bigger and even more exciting that I am absolutely dying to share with you, but it's not ready quite yet. But that is going to change the way that me and you grow our YouTube channels forever. It sounds like an over-exaggeration, but really you need to look out for when this drops. Also from me, final piece of news is, you heard from me at the start that I'm now doing this full-time. I now have a YouTube services company where I am providing in-depth channel audits, strategy work, consultancy, coaching calls, keyword research packages, you name it. If you need help with your YouTube channel, please get in touch. You can either drop me a message down below, the contact page on my website, or you can send me an email by using the email on the about page of this YouTube channel. So enough about me. I want to hear from you, what you've been up to, what you need help with, what you're struggling with, and how I can help. So if you're not already subscribed, then you need to click here to make sure you never miss any of this in-depth strategical videos coming to help you grow your YouTube channel. If you can't wait, then I have some really great best of videos that you can click out on that playlist. I'm really excited to be taking both my channel and your channel to the next level together, and I'll see you soon. Bye.